In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Ecwid on Google Sites. Have you ever thought about integrating a powerful e-commerce solution into your Google site? Well, Ecwid makes this not just possible, but also incredibly easy. With Ecwid, you can bring the convenience of an online store right to your Google Sites page, allowing for a seamless shopping experience for your visitors. So, let's dive in and get your e-commerce journey started. Firstly, you need to set the stage by heading over to Ecwid's homepage. With Ecwid touted as the #1 free e-commerce shopping cart and free online store, it's the go-to place to start creating your online shop. Their platform offers a plethora of features that cater to businesses of all sizes, ensuring that you find something that matches your specific needs. Once you're on the Ecwid website, the next step is to log into your account. Look for a login button on the website. It's usually located at the top right corner. This will take you to a login page where you can enter your credentials. However, if you're all about convenience and security, you might prefer to sign in using your Google account. This not only streamlines the login process, but also adds an extra layer of security to your account. Upon deciding to sign in with Google, you'll be presented with a list of your Google accounts. Here, it's crucial to select the account you want to associate with your Ecwid store. This choice is typically governed by the role the account plays in your business. For instance, you might want to choose a business account rather than a personal one to keep everything professional and organized. After successfully signing in, you'll be ushered into the Ecwid control panel. This is essentially your command center where you can manage every aspect of your online store. From managing products to configuring settings, the control panel puts everything you need right at your fingertips. Now, to integrate Ecwid with Google Sites, you'll want to explore the app market. Navigate your cursor over to Apps on your control panel, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select App Market. This is where Ecwid's ecosystem truly shines, offering a wide array of apps and integrations to enhance your store's functionality. Within the app market, type Google in the search bar to filter out all apps related to Google. You're specifically looking for the Save Orders to Google Sheets via Zapier app. This particular app is a gem. It allows for the automation of saving orders to a Google Sheet, streamlining your order management process and giving you a simple yet effective way to track all orders made on your store. Upon finding the app, click on it. If your account is already upgraded, you might see an upgrade option. However, for first-timers or those who haven't upgraded their account yet, the button will prompt you to install instead. This distinction is important as it indicates whether additional features or costs might be associated with using the app to its full potential. By following these steps, you're not just integrating a shopping cart into your Google site, you're setting up a robust, responsive e-commerce system that magnifies your online presence. The automation, the seamless management, and the added professionalism of having an integrated online store can remarkably elevate your site's value to visitors. Remember, the journey doesn't stop here. Ecwid offers a wealth of features and integrations that can further enhance your e-commerce setup. Whether you're looking to add customer reviews, launch email marketing campaigns, or even sync with social media platforms, there's likely an app or feature within Ecwid's ecosystem designed to meet that need. Integrating Ecwid with Google Sites is straightforward when you follow these steps, but don't hesitate to explore beyond. The platform is designed to grow with you, adapting to your business's evolving needs. Whether you're a hobbyist turning a passion into a business or a long-standing company moving into the online space, Ecwid and Google Sites can provide the infrastructure and tools needed to succeed in the digital marketplace. And that wraps up our guide on how to use Ecwid on Google Sites. With your new e-commerce platform set up, you're now well on your way to offering your customers a smooth, integrated shopping experience. So dive in, explore, and most importantly, have fun bringing your online store to life.